In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Valorant to your Steam library. If you'd like to launch Valorant alongside the rest of your games from within Steam, this is a simple way to keep everything organized in one place. Follow along, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If it isn't already running, launch it from your desktop or applications list. Once Steam is open, make sure you're signed in to your account. If necessary, click the Login button, enter your account name and password, and then select Sign In. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage, where all of your games and account features are available. Next, click on the Library tab near the top of the Steam window. This is where all of your installed Steam games are displayed. Since Valorant isn't a Steam game, we'll need to manually add it to the library as a non-Steam title. This won't transfer ownership or achievements, but it will let you launch the game directly from Steam for added convenience. While you're in the library section, look for the Add a Game option. Click on it to open a small menu, then select Add a non-Steam game. Steam will display a list of programs it detects on your computer, but if Valorant doesn't appear automatically, you'll need to browse for it manually. Take a moment to locate your Valorant installation or the Riot Games installation folder on your computer. If you're not sure where the game is installed, you can use your computer's file search feature to help find the correct location. Be sure to select the appropriate Valorant program so Steam creates a shortcut to the correct application. Once you've selected the game, click the Add Selected Programs button. Steam will then add Valorant to your library as a non-Steam game. This only takes a moment, and once it's complete, the game will appear alongside the rest of your library. To make sure everything worked correctly, return to your library and search for Valorant. When you see it listed, click on it and launch the game directly from Steam. If everything was added correctly, Valorant should start normally through its usual launcher. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added Valorant to your Steam library, making it easier to access from one central location with the rest of your games. Hopefully, this guide helps simplify your setup, and you're ready to jump back into your favorite matches. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!